Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another product review. A few days before Black Friday I picked up these the Schmincke set, and this one is the professional one, the Horadam, and there are 12 colors in this one. But I like how this is the bigger set here, where they give you the extra room, so if you want to purchase more colors you can put them through here. And there is room where you can fit a travel brush, or even some of the, let's see here, yep, some of the longer ones will fit in there. And as you can see, I have been using this quite a bit because I wanted to give a good review on it. And let's see here. There's some swatches right there I already have done, and there's 2 layers on the swatch chart right here. So you can see how bright and vivid they are. I'll set that right there. And I'm just going to read off the names here of the colors. So we have the titanium white, transparent yellow, Indian yellow, Saturn red, madder red dark, French ultramarine, phthalo blue, phthalo green, May green, transparent ochre, madder brown, and ivory black. And I did notice that some of these, the 12 sets here, come with different colors, so that's something to be aware of too. I definitely like these color choices better than the other. It's a little bit more basic, but I know in this one that May green is really pretty. It's like a bright green. And I'm not sure what other colors were missing in the other one, but I definitely, like I said, I liked this one a lot better. This one did come with a, it was a 24 dot chart that I made a separate video on that because I didn't want this one to be too terribly long. So I can link that down below if you wanted to see the other 24 colors that came with that chart. But there's just some basic information on here. This is, like I said, this is the artist quality one. High control of paint flow. Okay, I think that's about it. There's really not that much information on this box. But right here I did make my own little chart. I was seeing how well some of these colors mix together if you were trying to make like a purple with the red and the ultramarine, or again the red with the phthalo blue. And down here I really liked, I think it was the phthalo blue and green together. That was really, really nice. Let's see here. And again, you can make like a nice olive green. Your other purples up there in the corner. So that's something to think about. You can play around and mix different colors. Again, I think this one, like I said, this one was my favorite. Some of the purples were, I mean, they were okay. It's definitely not going to give you like a super bright purple. That's a little bit more deeper, which is fine with me. I don't use a whole lot of purple anyways. But I really, really do enjoy the blues. We'll set that off on the side. And I have a full piece here that you can see all of the colors. I tried to get most of them on there, so you can see how bright they are. Let's see, the yellows are really nice. Even some of these, here, I'll pull this out. I put a little dent in them, I've been using them so much. It was that Indian yellow. That's really pretty, that's the bright one. Let's see here on the back. Saturn red. That was $3.59 was the red. That's right, because there's only one red in here. One thing I did, yeah, the madder brown is more of a reddish tone in it too, which is fine with me. Almost like a burnt sienna. I don't use a whole lot of brown, so I'm okay with that one. The blues and greens are really nice. Yeah, overall I am really happy with my purchase. Price point, like I got mine on sale. This was close to $90 on Jackson's Art is where I bought mine from. It was close to 90, but I think it was after the sale. It was around 52 that I paid for it. But again, this is, of course, like I said, you have room for extras. And the little edge here stays up really nice. It doesn't like flap down so your water won't run all over the place. Lots of mixing wells. This is your standard case. The little hook on the back. The classic black. The little Schmincke owl there. And yeah, I am really happy with my purchase. And on Jackson's, I believe some of the big fancy sets are still on sale, but I think they actually sold out of these. But I will leave my, I do have an affiliate link down below. If you would like to save an extra 10% off your order, you're more than welcome to check things out and use it. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and stay tuned for more.